Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Mini Diaries, my adventures with classic minis. Today I'm down the yard. It's not always about an adventure. Some of the best times I have are down here, pissing about with the boys, and today I'm down here with Josh. You can check out his Instagram, that guy with the minis. You can go and have a look at what his mini used to look like. At the moment it's off for some work, so we're not doing that. We're going to be practicing some welding, and I've got some work to do on Bug still. So stay tuned for that, and I'm going to be playing with a new camera still. I hope you're liking the new shots, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Welding man.
Yeah, watch your eyes.
Dun 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 dun.
And becoming the best at it and mastering myself and seeing what I have within me. If you decide to drop your buckets where you are and develop your gifts, I grant you, you'll never ever be without. I grant you that your gifts will take you places that will literally amaze you.
How's it going, Josh?
Yeah, great. Everything keeps sitting on fire.
Looks good. Spending our time wisely, obviously, aren't we? It's all part of the journey though, Josh. You've got to learn.
Everyone starts somewhere.
Yep. So we thought it would be a good idea for Josh to make a box.
An awful box.
It's getting there though. It's square. Kind of.
Yeah.
Got to make a bottom bit now. That's going to be well good.
Don't measure it, but it's square.
And then we can put it on the wall. Box on the wall. First fabrication from the welding guy. Grinders out and everything. today, guys. I've had a good day playing down the yard, playing minis with Josh. It's time to call it a night now. It's far too cold down here for us southern softies to be playing in these temperatures. I'll be back down soon to come and do some more work on Bug's car. Didn't really get a lot done today. Just enjoying playing with the cameras and also seeing how well Josh was doing with the welding. So stay tuned for more work to come on Bug's car. So I'm back down the yard again tonight. I've got Bug for some company for a little while. We're working on the back of the car again, working on the suspension, hopefully to get the shocks in. We've just pulled the cup out of the radius arm. Me and Bug done quite well at that. Didn't make it look too hard. It's either a 5-minute job or an hour job, and it turned out to be a 5-minute job, which was good. So now I'm going to guide Bug through fitting these shocks and getting the high-low and the donut and the copper grease in. Shouldn't be too difficult, so let's see how he gets on. So there he is, everyone. There's Bug working on his mini. He's not just a figure of speech, he's just not a person that we talk about who doesn't exist. Do you know what you're doing under there, Bug?
No.
Not any idea?
I'm fingering a hole. Cool, right, so that's nice and clean.
Put another one in there. Don't they look sexy, Bug?
What the?
Not plastic.
A bit of plastic, mate. You're a weirdo.
That, yeah, the box, the other bit. Look.
This other bit?
Yeah.
You mean this bit here?
Yeah, the shiny bits.
Yeah, the shiny bits. Shiny bits always look good. Grease?
No, Rick just said put it in dry.
Oh, okay. Right, now, presumably got to push it in, or it will slide in as we put the suspension on.
Put the thing in. So hopefully that's the rod now, replacing that. Unbox it nicely, Bug.
There we go. Right, so we're going to need one of those for now. Cool, okay.
No new knuckles. So we thought we'd ordered everything on Bug had picked it all up for mini spares, considering he's put in all new shocks, new high-lows, new donuts. There's no knuckle, no little ball for the end of the high-low to sit into that plastic cup that we just got out and put a new one in. So shock horror that there's something not in the kit that we need, but we've still got plenty of things we can be getting on with. There's no plan on the phone, Bug, come on.
I'm looking at mini spares now.
What should be included in the kit? You know, replacing everything, let's put that in there as well. It's kind of a bit of a serviceable item.
Yeah, the high-low kit does not contain the knuckle.
Does it say that on there?
Well, on the picture it doesn't.
Oh, it's in the picture. Come on, Bug, my arm's aching.
No,
No knuckles.
no.
Does it say like it's a suggested item even?
No. Recommends one high-low set for per mini. Yeah, that'll narrow it down.
So what about the knuckles? So how much are they?
It's a £2.70 knuckle joint that's holding us back. You'd have thought would be in the kit at £2.70.
Yeah, in the £90 kit, let's throw in 4 £2.70s. Come on, mini space. Got to put all your Christmas presents away now, Bug. Put them away before you can play with the next stuff. We can't do the shocks just yet because it's a lot easier with that arm going up and down. So we thought we would start on the windows. Replacing this rubber trim around the outside. It was leaking a little bit. When we was going round to Wales, we could see the water trickling in as we were going around the mountain, so yep, Bug's having a go, and why not? Do it yourselves. That's one thing that I forgot to mention about us lot, is that we do like to have a go ourselves. We do like to dive in, see what happens, and see if we can make it better. And 9 times out of 10 it works, doesn't it?
Yeah, 9 times out of 10.
We get there somehow. Don't know how we do, but we do. Couple of screws, maybe, Bug?
Screw here, screw there.
Have we got to unhinge it?
No, I don't think we have to unhinge it because it comes. Okay, it's an all-in-one piece.
Was the other one split?
Yeah.
Well, the other one did leak though.
Ah, here we go. Well, there's a slight, there's a bit of a slice there.
Slice or joint?
Yeah, possibly a joint. So.
You know there's more room on the outside of the car than on the inside, yeah, Bug?
Yeah, true.
Because you do look quite nice and comfy there. Take 2.
Take 2. So, in theory, should
Fit the hole.
fit the hole. Yeah, the hard bit on the inside, the soft bit on the outside, yeah.
I'm glad you remembered or thought of it. Growl at it, Bug. Go on. Growl. Ta-da! All done. No fuss, no dramas. Little bit of fiddling and being a bit harsh with the rubber all the way around, especially down in this tight corner to get the shape. Has gone in, and hopefully it'll give us a nice seal against the glass now.
There's no join in the bottom, which is the main thing.
Yeah, no join in the bottom for the water just to trickle in when it rains. One rear opening window, rubber replaced. Still got your cool racing number, Bug. That ain't coming off.
What speed did I get again?
18.2.
Fully loaded? With me in it?
Did you see the comment I got the other day? Oh, I thought you had a Honda or a 16 valve engine in there. Didn't realise it was a tuned A series. Oh, you are getting good times.
Of course you are.
So that's it for another episode, guys. Thank you for watching. Hasn't been a particularly productive episode. It's more about what me and the boys get up to when we're down at the yard. It is very cold at the moment, so we're not all prepared to spend hours on end and getting everything finished, but we are getting little bits done, and slow progress will always make sure we get there in the end. Is a little bit disappointing about them knuckles not being in the kit. The rear window sill we're quite happy with how that's come out. Hopefully it'll stop any more water getting inside this car for Bug and stop any rot down in the back of the sill there. He's just getting changed. He's enjoying coming out and playing minis with us all, as we all do. It's a great little mini world that we can get involved in and start to put our heads in and get away from everything else. So I think they're a really great thing, and I know a lot of others do too. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also check out my Instagram. It has some more behind the scenes sort of stories. Here's Bug. Come and say goodbye, Bug. Bye, boys and girls. So that car there and the other one behind it, these are all mine. And Bugs and Rick's.
Yellow one's for sale if you want it.
Yeah, he got a little bit upset with that. Try looking here, Bug. Sorry, I don't know where the camera's going. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and be lucky.
Be safe, children.